Welcome to Armstrong Flooring. We have been manufacturing commercial vinyl sheet flooring and flooring accessories here in Australia since 1969. There are a lot of elements around flooring that people don't realise, especially when they walk into a public building. Slip resistance, cleanability, how the colour works with the rest of the building. These are things you don't see. You walk around on them every day. But the flooring element of a commercial building in particular is extremely important. By being a local manufacturer, there is a knock-on effect. When you support local manufacturing, you're not just supporting the first central business, you're supporting all the other businesses around it. From suppliers to installers, service technicians, delivery drivers and more. There's aligning businesses that spend 60 to 80% of their time working with us here at Armstrong Flooring. So by supporting us, you're supporting a wider economy. Our local manufacturing facilities and our local design capabilities allow us to respond quickly to deliver a high-quality product, both locally and to export markets. Architects, specifiers and builders trust in our ability to deliver quality products within critical construction timelines. But it's not just about quality, it's about safety, and it's also about how we treat our employees. All of those three elements are held in high regard out of Australian manufacturing. Our product is an eminently recyclable one. By keeping our manufacturing local, when there's unused material from the installation process that would normally be treated as waste, we have that material returned to our plant. We granulate it and repurpose it to be reused into new flooring, allowing us to maintain a circular economy as long as possible. We endeavour to source the majority of our raw materials from within Australia. Armstrong Flooring recycles over 20 tonnes of recycled PVC every year. This allows us to repurpose materials destined to waste and landfill directly into our product. In addition to recycled materials, we also source as much new material as possible locally, including our limestone from local quarries, to ensure that our products are as sustainable and economical as possible. Armstrong is proud to be licensed to use the Australian-made logo because it reflects our goal of producing the highest quality commercial flooring possible. There's a lot of pride from our customers, the architects and designers. Even the building end users have a sense of pride around knowing there's Australian-made products in it and are very secure knowing the plant is nearby and there's full support for them going forward. Our customers choose Australian-made products and they choose Armstrong Flooring, not only because they are proud to play a part in supporting locally made products, but they also recognise that Australian-made products are known for their high quality, safety standards and reliability.